Okay, so you want something in your life, you have certain desires, certain goals, and you thought, let's apply law of attraction in your life in order to attract that certain goals in your life. So now you decided that you will start manifestation. You sit down for 10 minutes, you visualize exact scenario, and now you're thinking that it will come in reality. If you're thinking like this, then you are absolutely wrong. So this is the one of the biggest myth that people have, that only 10 minutes will give you everything you want. It's not at all like that, because the law of attraction is working 24/7. There's no stop to it, there is no time limit to it. So, when you're doing 10 minutes of meditation, visualization, affirmation, etc., just for 10 minutes, and you're ignoring your whole day, whatever feelings you have, what how you are feeling, what are your emotions throughout the day, you're ignoring all that and you're thinking by sitting just 10 minutes you can attract anything in your life. It's not going to work like that. So today I want to discuss this thing with all of you guys, is that there is no stop, there is no break, there is no pause in law of attraction. It's always working, even if you're conscious about it, even if you're unconscious about it, even if you're sleeping, even if you're wake up like awake, it's always working. So when you want a certain desire but it's not coming true in your real life, it's because of this, that you're ignoring your feelings, emotions, whatever you're feeling throughout the day. For example, let's understand this with an example. You want a job in a company, in a big company with a good package. Okay, you have this goal. Now you sat and you meditated over it, you visualize how it's feeling, kitna maza aa raha hai, how amazing is that, the office, the routine, the colleagues, the experience, the pride that you carry while, say, telling people that you're working in a certain companies in a certain package. Okay, now you visualize all this thing, you sat, you made affirmations, etc., etc., 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever time you're sitting for it. After that, when you go on spending your whole day and the thoughts creeps in, इतना बड़ा कंपनी है, मुझे मिलेगा क्या जॉब, इतना बड़ा पैकेज है, मुझे मिलेगा क्या, डू आई डिजर्व दिस, विल आई गेट दिस अमाउंट, desired amount, will, if, but, what, how. So all these emotions, all these thoughts, overthinking kicks in. You feel angry, you feel sad, you feel jealous of other people. All these emotions also counts. Universe consider all these emotions as well. That's why it is very important to assess your emotions, your feelings throughout the day. So here's an exercise that you can do easily in order to assess your emotions and later align your emotions as per your desires. Okay, so what you have to do is, first thing first, that set an alarm for every 2 hours since you wake up. From the moment you wake up, for example, you're waking up at 6 a.m., write down your emotion, how you're feeling after waking up. After 2 hours, like 8 a.m., how you're feeling now. How, what did you felt in that 2 hours? All this, like that, you have to create a 2 hours interval alarm, or like assess your emotions. What I do, I just set an alarm for every 2 hours, and I just assess my emotions, what I have felt in those 2 hours, what I thought in those 2 hours. So this is very important, self assessment is very important. And mostly if you see, like, there are 3 4 very prominent emotions and feelings and thoughts that keeps on going in your head again and again and again. So now that, till now you were doing it unconsciously, now you will do it consciously. Just observe your emotions and thoughts, what's going on in your mind. And uh, till you sleep, okay, you have to do this till you sleep. Do this for 7 days. Like, create whole analysis, whole chart, what are the prominent emotions you're feeling, is it good, is it bad, is it positive, how does it make you feel, and like assess all this thing. And after that, create a list of emotions that you want to feel in your daily life, day to day life. Okay, so now when you have this two list of feelings that you're feeling every day naturally, and feelings that you want to feel every day, now what you have to do is to understand why you are feeling this way. It's very important to understand why these things are happening with you. You're attracting you have attracted your whole life subconsciously. Now it's time to consciously attract what you actually want in your life. And for that you have to have this consciousness about your own emotions. You don't have to focus on anyone else. You don't have to focus on what others are doing, what others are feeling, what they are saying. If they are saying to you something and that thing is affecting you, it's also your fault somewhere, because you have attracted that. Okay, so do this exercise, understand your emotions, and for this, after this, when you are feeling angry, when you're feeling depressed, or whatever the negative feeling creeps in throughout the day, just take a step back and just understand what's the reason why I'm feeling this way. And most of the time you don't even realize why is this feeling, because there's no reason to feel sad. It is just a habit that you have created over the time that is making you feel this way. So it's a very, very good exercise to break this pattern. Understand your emotions in every hour, what are you feeling? So as I have said that you are manifesting 24/7. There is no stop to it. There is no pause in between. So in order to attract your dream life, understand what emotions you're feeling every day, and make sure whenever you're waking up, you're choosing to feel positive regardless of the situation and the outcome, no matter what the situation is. So one affirmation that you can chant the whole day, that make it your mantra, that everything works out for me regardless of the situation. Everything works out for me in my favor. This one thing अगर आपने अपने दिमाग में रख लिया, it will work like a magic for you. So I hope you understood what I'm trying to say here. It's like there's never a stop for manifestation. You're manifesting 24/7. So understand this thing, do the exercise, let me know your thoughts in the comment. And if you have any doubt, also let's connect on comment section. I love to answer you guys. I love to interact with all of you guys. And thank you so much for showing me so much love in my previous videos. I'm so grateful for your time. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.